Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might surprise you. We're not diving into the latest crypto craze or stock market predictions. Instead, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty of everyday finance, specifically, transfer limits with Lunar. Now, why Lunar? Well, maybe you're a recent convert to their sleek app and user-friendly interface. Perhaps you're considering switching and their budgeting tools have caught your eye. Whatever the reason, chances are you've encountered the question, how much can I actually move around with this thing? Intrigued? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we're going to unpack today. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty of daily and per transfer limits, let's take a quick step back. Why do transfer limits exist anyway? It might seem like a buzzkill, a restriction placed on your hard-earned money. But trust me, these limits are there for a reason. They act as a safety net, protecting both you and Lunar from fraudulent activity. Imagine someone hacking into your account and trying to siphon off a cool million in one go. Limits help prevent such nightmares. Additionally, banks and financial institutions have to comply with regulations set by governing bodies. These regulations are designed to combat money laundering and other financial crimes. So, while limits might feel like a hurdle sometimes, they ultimately serve a greater purpose. Alright, enough with the why, let's talk numbers. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the actual transfer limits with Lunar. Here's where things get interesting. Buckle up, because it depends on where you call home. Calling Denmark home. If you're a Lunar user residing in the land of Vikings and pastries, then you're looking at a daily transfer limit of DKK 200,000. That translates to roughly 26,800 euros, not bad for a day's worth of moving money around. Living it up in Sweden. For our Swedish viewers, things are a tad different. Here, Lunar operates with a dual limit system. You can transfer a maximum of 100,000 Swedish kronor, around 10,700 euros, per individual transfer. But that's not all. The daily limit sits at 200,000 Swedish kronor, approximately 21,400 euros. So, you have some flexibility in how you structure your transfers. Setting up shop in Norway. Our Norwegian friends are in a similar boat. The daily limit for transfers is 200,000 Norwegian kroner, roughly 19,000 euros. However, unlike Sweden, there's also a limit per outgoing transfer, which is 100,000 Norwegian kroner, around 9,500 euros. What if I need to transfer more? Let's say you need to move a larger sum than the daily limit allows. Fear not. There are always options. You can contact Lunar's customer support and explain your situation. In some cases, they might be able to raise your limit temporarily. Additionally, you could break down the transfer into smaller chunks spread over a few days. Remember, it's always best to check. While this video provides a general overview, it's crucial to stay updated on the latest transfer limits. The best way to do this? Head straight to Lunar's official website or app. They usually have a dedicated section outlining fees and limits, so you can be sure you're operating within the boundaries. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.